My estranged husband filed a joint tax return using my SSN without my consent, pocketed a $14,000 refund, and I am the one left cleaning up his mess. What else can I do? Location: Fremont, California. What he did while I was navigating custody arrangements, court dates, and rebuilding my life. My estranged husband Christopher filed a joint 2025 federal tax return using my name and SSNs without my signature, my consent, or my knowledge. Here is what is documented. He explicitly asked me for me too in March 2026. I said no. He filed anyway and left my $15,000 income off the return entirely. I told him at least 10 times through our recorded co-parenting app Talking Parents, text messages, and in person that he would not make any tax decisions until I spoke with an attorney. He acknowledged it. He filed anyway. He directed a refund exceeding $14,000 entirely to his own bank account. My refund alone should have been over $7,000. He received $4,000. By filing without my consent, he took money my daughter and I desperately needed. He listed me as a resident of his home address. I have never once been inside that house. I have an active request for order with the family court, just trying to obtain his address. He threatened bankruptcy on multiple occasions, telling me he would exclude me from proceedings if I did not give him money for court costs. He told me we would owe over $5,500 filing separately, but receive $3,000 jointly. The refund ended up exceeding $14,000, none of which came to me. This is not the first time. He also omitted GameStop stock proceeds from our 2024 joint return. I brought that to the court's attention immediately. This is a pattern, not a mistake. All marital debt is in his name. I never held credit card in my own name during our marriage. I had no financial independence and no visibility into our finances. What he had done: filed Form 1439 Identity Theft Affidavit with the IRS, filed Form 8857 Innocent Spouse Relief with full documentation, submitted my own return by mail, filed a police report, filed a complaint with the FTC, brought everything before the family court, submitting a formal declaration to the family court, documenting the unauthorized filing and coercion, compiled Talking Parents transcripts, text messages, pay stubs, court filings, and his actual tax return. As evidence, made multiple calls to the IRS to follow up on the status of my filings, spent countless hours writing and submitting forms to fix something I had absolutely no part in causing. Why am I the one fixing this? He used my SSN without permission. He filed without my signature. He pocketed a refund that was never his. He locked me out of filing electronically. He has faced zero immediate consequences. And I am the one on hold with the IRS, submitting forms in the mail, monitoring multiple case statuses, and spending time and energy I do not have time taken directly away from me. What you still need to know: is there anything beyond Forms 8857 and 14,039 I should be filing? Should I be contacting the Taxpayer Advocate Service to expedite this? Can the family court hold him in contempt for this? Has anyone successfully recovered a redirected refund in a situation like this? What can I do right now to make sure he cannot do this again? It is fucking bullshit, but the burden of proof falls on the person who is wronged. If anyone has advice or has been through something similar, please share. I am looking in every direction for some assistance.